your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby.
Hey guys, this is Ayushi. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am Ayushi. I don't know why I say it twice, but yeah, I make lifestyle videos along with some challenge videos, and if you're interested in that, then make sure to stick around and subscribe. I promise you, you won't be disappointed, and I'll try my best not to disappoint you. But anyways, in today's video, I decided to style a plain white t-shirt in 10 different ways. Now, you can obviously use any other color t-shirt too. I just wanted to put out the ways in which you can style a completely plain t-shirt, and yeah, this is one of them. This is a sneak peek. This video shout out goes to these people. Now thank you so much for commenting and watching my videos, and if you want to get a shout out to, make sure to stay till the end of the video when I'll tell you what to comment down. And basically I choose two people who comment something down and I give them a shout out, so make sure to stay till the end of the video to see how you can get a shout out. How many times do I say shout out? But anyways, let's start. Okay, hey guys, let's get started. So for the first outfit, I paired the white t-shirt along with some cycling shorts and a red crossbody bag to add some pop of color, and I also wore a choker as accessories along with some sunnies, like if it's bright outside. This is a really comfortable outfit and I really love it. Now for the second outfit, I wanted to make it a little summery. So I wore this summer dress which is actually navy and white striped, and I wore the white t-shirt tied on the top, and I also took this purse to carry my phone in it, and I really love this outfit. And I wore it with some shoes which I will show you to right now, and also that is a really bad way of showing off shoes, but yeah, that is what I wore, and I really like how this outfit is super summery. For the third one, I wanted to give a little Indian twist, so I wore this long dress along with the white t-shirt again tied on the top, and I also wore some jhumkas to add some Indian twist to it, and I really loved how this turned out. Now I'm gonna wear it with some sandals, and yeah, that is the third outfit. And also please just ignore how bad my transitions are. For the fourth one, I paired this white t-shirt with this really cute skirt that I made myself. I'll link the video up. And I also wore this really small bag at the back, and I really loved how this turned out. It is super comfortable, and also if you want to dress up a little, this is the way to go. I also wore a watch along with some baby pink colored shoes. So the next outfit is athleisure, and this is the most me outfit. I love wearing sweatpants, and basically I tucked in the white t-shirt into my sweatpants and wore it with sunnies to dress it up a little and some rings. I also wore the same black shoes that I wore in the first and second outfit, and yeah, this is how it turned out. I really like how, okay, why did I do that? But yeah, I really like this outfit again. Okay, so for the next outfit, I wore this blue jeans, and I basically tied the top in the front, and I love how comfortable this is and yet a little dressy, and you can wear it for a picnic or something like that. I don't know, you can wear it anywhere. And I wore a scrunchie on my hand to again have something as an accessory, and you can never go wrong with blue jeans. And yeah, this is how it turned out. Now if you're going somewhere cold and you want to carry a jacket around, you can carry a jacket and tie it around your waist, and this would again look really pretty, while you'll also have something to wear if you get cold easily. And yeah, over here I'm trying to show you the material of the jacket, which you clearly can't see, but yeah, this was the next outfit. So for the next one, I just tucked in the t-shirt under, and this way you'll have a cropped look without actually cropping the t-shirt, and you will not like ruin the t-shirt by cropping it. For the next one, I wore this white t-shirt with some distressed black jeans, and I love how this turned out. And yeah, this is more of a business looking kind of outfit, like if you're going for a meeting or something. I don't know why you'd go for a meeting, but if you are. And I paired it up with this black bag along with the sunnies. Also, why did I make that face and instantly regret it? And I wore this with these super pretty black heels, and yeah, they're block heels, and I love how they look, and I love those heels. I just love them. So the last outfit, it makes me look like an e-girl. I love how it turned out again. I'm saying it for every outfit, but I basically wore a black long t-shirt underneath the white shirt, and it looks really edgy, and I really like how it looks. And you can basically wear this with black shoes or the black heels that I wore in the previous one. I also wore a choker and did that weird dance. But yeah, this is the last outfit, and I guess this is my favorite one. Okay guys, that was it for this video. If you enjoyed and want me to make more of fashion videos, then let me know in the comments. Also, the comment of this video is going to be which one is your favorite outfit. Let me know, and I'll randomly choose 2 people to give a shout out in my next video. And also make sure to subscribe. I post every Thursday and Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.